Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Nkenna. I'm responsible for everything that goes on here. I'm gonna go ahead and apologize in advance because I'm filming in front of natural light and it is wholly gorgeous, like the sun is setting. So I apologize if the light is going in and out, that's why. So yeah. Anyway, as you guys can tell from the title of today's video, I am going to be doing another lipstick swatching video. Today we are swatching some Lippie Stix from Colourpop Cosmetics. It has been a while since I swatched some of Colourpop's Lippie Stix, so I went through their website, saw a bunch of new products, and I just decided to pick up these 5. So as always with my lipstick swatching videos, I'm gonna come to you guys with clean exfoliated lips. I'll make sure that I have the names on the bottom of the screen, and I'll come back to you guys at the very end with all my thoughts, comments, concerns, all that stuff. So taking a closer look, this is what the packaging looks like. It says Colourpop and then it says Lippie Stix, and it's in this teal polka dot packaging. On the side of the box it does say put me on your lips, and if you guys did not know, Colourpop is cruelty free. When you take it out of the box, this is what the tubing looks like. It's just a white tube. On the bottom there is somewhat of a preview of the color, and then it has the color name as well. When you remove the cap, this is what the lipstick looks like, and it's at an angle for application. Guys, those are all of the swatches. Just getting into my notes. They did have like a wax smell. It was like crayon smell. So I mean, it's not something that's like offensive or like whatever. Like if anything, I would prefer that over like the fake like vanilla cupcake type of perfume smell that a lot of lipsticks tend to have. These are really, really creamy, which is really good. They feel moisturizing on the lips. I will say, go ahead and still moisturize your lips before applying these. You only need one pass because these are very, very pigmented. As you guys can see, I just was gliding that on once and I didn't have to like massage it into my lips to get good color payoff. So it's really good. You're definitely getting your money's worth. It's very pigmented, so since you're not having to use so much product, it's gonna last you guys for a good bit of time. These are really easy to take off. That is like my favorite thing. I don't like having to scrub and raw up my lips. I just wiped it off and it came off, no staining of the lips, which is always appreciated. I will say that because they do have that creamy formula, it's going to accentuate any type of texture that you do have on your lips. So as always, you want to make sure that you do exfoliate your lips prior to applying this lipstick. I definitely say that these are women of color friendly and these are great for fall. Lots of vampy and warm types of colors. So definitely great for these like transitioning months into the cooler months in the winter time. And then of course the question that we all ask, is this kiss proof? And you can see that it transferred onto my hand, so it's definitely not, but I would say bring it with you if you're going out to eat, going on a date, whatever it is. If you're going to a business conference, just bring it with you. I will say that all of them have this matte finish, which I love. It's not as drying as the liquid lipstick, so this is a happy medium. If you don't like their liquid lipsticks, then you can try out their Lippie Stix. I would say maybe if you did want a little bit of shine, you could apply a gloss on top, or you could put Vaseline on the bottom and it'll give it more of a shine and a creamy texture. So yeah, that is all that I have for you guys. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, like the video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.
To the question, I don't know it. I just wanna love you, just to make you smile. That's the motive. Just to make